Alright, what's up, gang? It's your boy Mikey Will here. It's the band. We ain't gonna talk about that right now. I'm actually doing a dope giveaway. None of these, you know what I'm saying? No GoPro Hero 7s, no Insta 360s. I don't even know. Yeah, my little Hero 9. I got a bunch of them. They're everywhere, you know what I'm saying? I definitely want to show all my fans, all my subscribers some gratitude, all everyone that's been liking my stuff, all that stuff. I want to make sure you guys get something too, you feel me? So I'm going to do a giveaway, not one of these. I'll make sure you guys get the brand newest GoPro. What is it, the 12 is out right now? I'm going to give away a straight up brand new GoPro Hero 12, you know what I'm saying? Easy money, guys. All you got to do is tell some people to come subscribe to my channel. Straight like that, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. All you got to do, get some more people subscribed to my channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs. And when I get to 1,000 subs, or at the end of the next month or whatever it is, I'm going to make sure someone lucky, not no random person, not no someone I know. I'm talking about some random person. You could be wherever. I mean, hopefully you're not in like Thailand or Vietnam or something crazy, you know what I'm saying? But like, let's keep it G. I want everyone to tell everyone about Mikey Will, what Mikey Will does, you know what I'm saying? I'm Mr. Electric. Just kidding, nah, I'm not Mr. Electric, but like, I do a lot of electric builds, you feel me? So, make sure you guys tell somebody to tell somebody. Check out Mikey Will. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow my Instagram. Anything. Oh, just Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to find me on Facebook. You're not gonna find me. It's, you know how many thousands of Michael Williams there are? Like, you're not gonna find me. Come on, man. But yeah, you guys ain't getting none of these. I'm giving you the best of the best. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys tell somebody to tell somebody. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you drop some comments. I'm checking out everything, dropping everything. And if you guys don't like a GoPro, I'll get y'all a drone. If you don't like a drone, I'll get you an FPV drone. But right now we're sticking with the GoPro. The first one is the GoPro. We're gonna go with the DJI drone next, you know what I'm saying? But stay tuned for that one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, gang.